Hello guys, welcome to another time out with me on Alec GTV. Today we are reviewing on just a lovely little item. Tada. It's a dashboard cam and it's from Vantrue and it's a dual camera, 1080p both ways. But is it any good? Coming up. All right, welcome back. If you're new to this channel, you can subscribe. That's definitely you could do now, so we don't forget. We do music, movies, and tech reviews like this one. And yeah, a couple of other exciting things that we do as well that you could run to our channel to see all that. But we got a couple of things that you like and be interested in. Today we want to finalize on this product and see if it's something you will like. It is most likely you will, because I really don't do reviews about stuff that I don't use. So it's been a couple of weeks now, and I thought, okay, maybe this is good enough to talk to people about, so you know if you like to get one. And as usual, the links will be in the description. So, but let's know if this is for you. In a nutshell, it's a lovely little device, very portable, very small, hangs. I'll show you a little bit demonstration when I unboxed it in the car. Check that out. All right, so that's how it came. Vantrue dash cam N2 Pro. Here we go. Okay. Oh, that's a quick guide. Oh, we got stickers here. We have the online info, and then the manual, of course. So, sticker, manual, quick guide. All right. For those of us that want to be all hands-on real fast. And then this is the real item here. Okay, very small and portable. That's why I like it. I think there's something underneath. Let's go. Accessories. More, there's more. Okay, it comes with the suction. That's all. So we get it out of the way. Let's see what it comes with. Everything is on camera. All right, let's take this one off. It's come with a portable suction clamp. Ooh, it's got this little teeth right here. All right, looks well built, and it's got a USB type. I don't know what type, but it's not the regular type like the Android charger. No, it's the. I'll show you on the screen. Small little screen, and yeah, this guy can rotate. You can rotate the camera any way you want it. Comes with the charger. Let's open this guy up, the USB charger. And yep, USB charger, and it's got the fire, what's it called, the car cigarette light unit, the power from the cigarette light unit, which of course you should have, and that's all that comes with it. All right, the first thing we need to do is to charge this guy for 2 hours. So I'm gonna get busy while I get it charged. Already connected it to my cigarette light power place, and we'll connect this. Take a look at the device in the first place. All right, so here's the charging port. So let's let it charge. I'll get back to you. Our charging should be ready by now. but you want to set this up, connect. I've got 2 cigarette power points. I want to see if it can run from back here. I got one here, so I can use this one for my phone. I think it's long enough. Good. Like this. Snap it in, just like a camera shoe mount. Now it's snapped in place. Like I said, the camera rotates, but it won't allow you to rotate 360, otherwise the point will be defeated. There's a camera already here, so you don't need the 2 cameras facing the same direction. It's just for you to get an up and down if you want to see your feet or something, which is usually unlikely. I keep it straight up like this. It's a wide angle lens. It's wide enough to get almost anything besides your feet. But everything that's important. So, but you have the option to rotate. Is it any good? My verdict is yes. It is definitely recommendable for everybody, but more especially those of you Uber and Lyft drivers. You definitely want to get this device because it will save you from a lot of trauma, a lot of troubles. If you are getting anything else, then make sure it's a better one than this, which is definitely more expensive. This comes at $199. It's just about 200. Almost 200 bucks, but it's for both front and back camera, and that's an option to have. If you have one camera and you're completely turning to the front and turning to the back, you don't know where the drama will come from. You don't know when or where the drama will come from, and you won't be able to turn your camera, when it's already too late. So it's better you have a camera facing front and one facing back already. And the files, why I love this thing is the files are MP4s and they are minute. I don't know how the codec, how they did it. It's something you could keep, running, like I did. I left it when I went into the shop. I left it running. I always power with this guy, and I think that you should have a power pack that's as good as this, or better, and so that this guy will be running 24/7. If you turn off your engine, your cigarette light goes out. For some cars like mine, it may take about a minute more after you're gone, and then it will go out eventually, and the recording will stop, and somebody can still hit your car and run, or still stop and run. Another thing that I like about this is whether or not you're recording, people see it and recognize that it's a dash cam, they'll probably stay away, okay? Because it could be recording, you don't know if you're live streaming, you don't know, which is another option I think we can have next time, Vantrue. If live stream option is there where we could view the picture with our phone, that will be a great add-on. But overall, this is a very great item. Everybody needs it, especially if you've had accident before. I got hit, and at the end of the day, I was playing a nice guy. I didn't call the police. They said they will fix it, and at the end of the day, I paid because the story turned. The first thing they asked, do you have proof that they are lying against you? Do you have a witness? I didn't have nobody in the car, nobody to write a statement, but this guy could have spoken, more than words. So one thing you need to know, this is where the SD card goes. Better if you just have something to take it out because it's going to wear off after a while. All right, you also have an HDMI cable outlet, which for me it's an overkill. I don't see any point for that, you know, but it's a good thing. It's not a bad thing. It's just how many people would need that? Probably when you have to confirm or check out a footage, you want to see it on the big screen. Makes sense. The price is good. The product is good. Hopefully in the future we are able to do that. You're advised to register your product. The warranty, your serial number is right here underneath the product. Where the speakers are, that will be the bottom of the device. When you mount it like this, the buttons forward, back, navigating with your menus are on the bottom. There is the microphone is at the bottom as well. All right. By the way, just for your information, there is an option on this device for you to put in your number plate, which is your car number plate, whichever car you're going to be using it on. And it authenticates the video that this camera was recorded for this car, or by this car, or while used in this car with this number plate. Okay, so without it, your issues could be argued. All right, so make sure to put that number plate or something like a driver's license. Driver's license number could work because that identifies you. Then you can change it between cars. If you put your number plate on the car, then you have to either stick it, you know, stick to one car, or you change the number plate every time you move the device to the other car, so that at every point in time you feel like you are covered. I'm saying that because I did it wrong right now. I'm driving the other car right now, and I still have the number plate of the second car on it. So you don't want to do that. If something goes wrong, that's a no-no. It's a lovely, good device. Highly recommended. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. The links will be in the description of everything here. This item, this one, even the car link up. But overall, I would highly recommend it. The links will be in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Check out the clips, time lapse. I made time lapse. I did night shot, and it's easy to navigate. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.